Hey guys, how's it going? Today's video, we are going to be discussing accessories. Basically, I just want to cover how you can accessorize your outfits and enhance them. Now, I decided the best way to go about this video would be by picking out 3 different outfits and then showing you how I would accessorize these outfits. So, as always, this is based on my personal style and the items that I have in my own closet. So, I will be giving suggestions on how you could try to incorporate your own style into them or enhance them in other ways as well. Because you guys know my style is very simple and minimal and neutral as well. I don't have a lot of color in my wardrobe. So that being said, just take that in mind while I'm styling the outfits. When you're getting ready in the morning, accessories should be the last thing that you pick out for your outfit. So you should have the base of your outfit ready and good to go, and then the very last thing you're gonna do is pull together all of your accessories because you really want them to enhance your look rather than compete with your look or overwhelm your look. So there is a very fine line of too many accessories, I think, and yeah, you really just want it to enhance your look overall and not be too much. So in my personal opinion, when it comes to accessories, less is more, but at the end of the day, do you and wear what you're comfortable with. I wanted to do like a more casual outfit, semi-casual, and then something a little dressier so you can get an idea of how I would style one of each from each category. So my neighbor is just really loudly vacuuming right now, so if you hear anything in the background, that's probably what that is. Yeah, so starting off with the more casual outfit, I decided to go with jeans and a white button-up blouse because I figure that's probably something everybody has in their wardrobe, or you have something similar happening. So I have my white button-up blouse here. I also have a pair of ripped boyfriend denim that I thought I would just show you how I would accessorize an outfit like this, because you really could totally play around with this and dress it up if you wanted to, or just keep it super cash. But I am gonna keep this one super casual just for today's little experiment. So with an outfit like this, the first thing that I'm gonna do is tuck in the blouse. I wanna add a little bit of shape to my body and just have something a little more interesting happening, because when it's just hanging out, I don't know, I just find it's not as flattering. So the first thing I'm doing is tucking in the top. Now, even when the top is tucked in, I still find this outfit to be a little basic and a little bland. We definitely need to amp it up a little bit. So the next piece that I'm going to add is a belt. This is the perfect outfit to add a belt to. And as you can see, once I put the belt on, it really just does pull the look together a little bit more than it was before. It makes it look a little bit more finished, I guess, if you will. I decided to go with a brown belt, just my personal preference for today. You could easily rock it with a black belt or any belt that you have. So I chose to go with the brown belt here, and then the next thing I'm gonna do is roll up the sleeves on this outfit. I think that adds just a really fun vibe to the outfit. It brings it down a notch more, makes it a little more laid back. So the sleeves I'm gonna roll up a little bit, and then I'm gonna add a watch to my arm. I think that this is a perfect outfit to add a watch to, or just something on your wrist, especially with the rolled up sleeves. It just adds that something extra to it. Next, I don't like buttoning up my button-ups the whole way, as I'm sure most of you don't. So I'm gonna add a really delicate necklace. I think because it does have a collar, I don't really want to add a bigger necklace, so I'm gonna go with just a very small necklace that I have. And since I have the brown belt and some gold tones happening, I'm just gonna pick a small gold necklace that I have to just subtly accent that. Next up, I wanted to do something with my hair. I decided to pick out a scarf. I love scarves and they're such a fun accessory. So I'm gonna add a scarf to my hair, and I just have this one here. It's got like navy blue and red and beiges in it, but any scarf you had, if you want to add more color to your outfit, you could totally do that as well. So I'm going to tie that into my hair just to give it also something extra and bring all the colors together. I like how the colors in the scarf sort of blend nicely with the rest of the outfit. For a handbag, you could easily rock a handbag that would be the statement of your whole look. So if you have something really colorful or a fun print or texture, whatever, you could toss that on and wear that as a handbag, and that would really be the statement of your outfit. But I'm personally just gonna go with my white straw bag, and I find that just blends really well with the outfit. It's not too overpowering. Like I said, I do like my outfits to be a bit more neutral, so I decided to go for a bag like this. You could easily throw in a statement bag just to bring your outfit up a notch or add some color. For shoes for this look, I am just gonna be wearing a nude sandal that I have. For a look like this, because the denim and the white top are very light in color, I think going with a darker shoe can sometimes look a little bit off, which is why I went for a nude shoe. I think it just blends a little bit more seamlessly. So for a look like this, I personally wouldn't choose a black shoe or something like that. I think it would just stand out way too much and not blend as nicely with the outfit. But you could toss on, you know, some pumps if you wanted to dress it up a little bit. Maybe you have some gray colored pumps, or maybe even a red pump if you wanted to add a pop of color. So you could really play around with your shoe, but like I said, I personally would avoid a very dark color like a black, but even a nice navy blue might go nicely, and depending on the color of your jeans. So that pretty much sums up the first outfit and how I would accessorize it. So you can see based on what I started with, just the top and the pants, versus what I ended with, how much accessories can really change up your look. And you could really, really play around with a look like this. Like I said, you could toss on some pumps and dress it up a little bit, throw on some color, whatever you want to do. Yeah, you just want to make sure that your accessories are enhancing your look. Okay, outfit number 2 is more semi-cash, if you will. So I have these shorts here which have a subtle print on them. They're higher waisted and they have a tie around the waist which goes into a bow, which is a nice statement on its own. For an outfit like this, because the shorts are kind of a statement piece because they have that bow happening, and I don't really want to go overboard with my accessories because of that, and I don't really want to overshadow that situation happening. So I decided to just go with a necklace. So this is even a little bit bold for my style because usually I don't wear statement jewelry that often. I like more delicate jewelry, but for the sake of this video and just showing you guys what you can do. So you could easily add a statement necklace to an outfit like this, and that can really enhance it as well. So I have this necklace here. I got this from Forever 21 a few years ago. So I decided to toss on the necklace. I thought it went really well with the neckline of the cami, and it just went really nicely together. Since I am wearing navy blues and white, it's more of a cooler toned outfit, which is why I thought the silver necklace would go well with it and complement it. Other than that, I'm not gonna add too many extra accessories. I will wear maybe a stud earring, nothing crazy, because I don't want it to compete with the necklace. Usually my rule of thumb is if you're gonna go with a statement necklace, maybe keep your earrings to a minimum, or if you're gonna go with a statement earring, keep your necklace to a minimum. So it's kind of one or the other, but you know, do you. That's, like I said, that's my personal rule of thumb. So yeah, that's basically all I did for that outfit. Like I said, I didn't want things competing too much with the shorts because they are sort of a statement on their own, and I do love the waistline and the bow that they have. Now for the shoe, I picked out my strappy sandals that I have. They just have a low little block heel, so they are super comfortable. I just find they're nice, they're cute, and they sort of dress up the look a little bit more as well. But you could wear some pumps or maybe even a higher heel sandal, whatever you're comfortable in. And these sandals that I have here are almost like a gray blue color, so I did think they went well with the outfit since I'm more on the cool tones with that outfit. For the handbag on that look, I'm gonna go with my straw bag again, just because I like how the white makes the cami pop a little bit from underneath the blazer. I would also pair it with a brown bag, but the only brown bags or nude bags that I have a lot of gold buckles and chains on them, and I find if I'm wearing a silver necklace, I feel like that doesn't go as well, which is why I opted for the white bag. On to the third outfit, my fancy pants outfit. I have this dress here, which I got from Zara a couple of years ago. Absolutely love it. Love it, love it, love it. It is black and lace. Anything black and lacy I'm obsessed. So this outfit, yeah, usually I just wear this dress to nicer occasions that I have to attend. For an outfit like this, so this dress has a higher neckline, which means I'm probably not gonna wear a necklace with it. That being because the neckline is sort of a statement on this dress and I do not want to distract from that. That being said, I'm gonna go with a statement earring because I can, and why the heck not? So I have these earring cuffs, which I got from Topshop, I believe. They're so cool. I feel like such a badass when I wear them. So there's two, so you just pop them on each ear and they're a really, really pretty ear cuff. And I feel like it adds sort of an edgier vibe to the dress as well. So I would pop on some statement earrings with a dress like this. You don't have to wear an ear cuff with a dress like this. If you had some cool dangly earrings or whatever you have, that would work as well. I just think a statement earring would really work well with this because it does have the higher neckline. Because the dress is black, I also want to add a little bit of color, but like I mentioned, I don't have a lot of color in my wardrobe. So I'm gonna do that with a lipstick. I'm gonna pop on a lipstick that is nice and bright and is gonna pull my look together a little bit, make it a little bit fancier, give it that boldness. Lipstick always makes an outfit look a little bit more dressed up. So I decided to go with a red lipstick, but I mean any color would work because everything goes with black. Then for my handbag, I wanted to pair it with my nude handbag. So I actually picked this handbag up in Thailand. I freaking love it. I think it is so dang cute. I decided to pair the nude with the black because I thought it gave a nice contrast to the outfit, rather than going with all black like I probably would have. Now, if you have some fun colored clutches or some fun printed clutches, I would totally recommend wearing that with an outfit like this as well. Say you had a red clutch or maybe, I don't know, a leopard print clutch. You could totally rock that with a black dress because that just adds some print and some fun to your outfit. I don't really have any fun colored handbags or anything like that. So the nude is what I'm going with for this outfit, and it still does add that contrast to the black. For my shoe, I paired this outfit off with my black sandals that I have here. So I actually thrifted these sandals. I think they're so freaking cute. And they just have a tiny little block heel as well. You guys know I personally don't like wearing heels, but if you like wearing heels, this is the perfect outfit to rock your heels with. You know, maybe if you went with a more neutral bag or a black bag, you could add a fun colored shoe to this look. Or if you decided to go with a printed clutch or a fun colored clutch, then maybe just keep your shoe as a black pump. I wanted just a black shoe just to blend seamlessly in with the dress. So yeah, that pretty much sums up the accessories video. I thought it would just be easier to show you how I would accessorize a couple of different outfits. And if you guys have any questions or you want some advice or anything, make sure you leave that in the comments below. I'm always happy to respond and I will try to give you the best advice that I can. And you guys have amazing advice as well, so make sure you're leaving that in the comments as well. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!